Are you struggling with hair loss? Introducing platelet-rich plasma hair regrowth therapy, a revolutionary treatment that can help stimulate hair growth and restore your confidence. Platelet-rich plasma therapy works by using your body's own platelets to promote hair regrowth. It is a safe and natural alternative to traditional hair loss treatments. The platelets are then separated from the blood and concentrated to create platelet-rich plasma. This plasma is rich in growth factors that stimulate hair follicles and promote new hair growth. Once the platelet-rich plasma is prepared, it is carefully injected into the scalp using a fine needle. This targeted delivery ensures that the growth factors reach the hair follicles directly. Over time, the growth factors in platelet-rich plasma stimulate dormant hair follicles, leading to thicker and healthier hair. Results may vary, but many patients experience noticeable improvement in hair growth. Platelet-rich plasma therapy is a non-surgical procedure that is minimally invasive and requires no downtime. You can resume your daily activities immediately after the treatment.